Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic might sound scary. Rabies, a small bite from an infected animal can turn deadly if ignored. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how it spreads, what it does, and how to stay safe. Let's start from the basics. So let's see what exactly rabies is. So, rabies is a viral disease caused by the rabies virus, part of the Lassa virus family. It mainly targets your brain and spinal cord, and that's what makes it so dangerous. And here's the harsh truth. Once symptoms start, there is no cure. That's why prevention is everything. So here is how does it spreads. The virus live in the saliva of infected animal. So when an animal like a dog, bat or fox bites or even licks a wound, the virus enters your body. Remember this easy trick DBF dog, bat, fox. These are the common spreaders of rabies worldwide. So now you might wondering what happens inside the human body. Once the virus enters the human body, the virus doesn't rush. It travels slowly along your nerves toward the brain. There it causes inflammation, leading to confusion, anxiety, and later paralysis. Finally, it reaches the salivary glands so the infected person or animal can spread it further through bites. After this, here are some symptoms of rabies. At first, the signs are mild, fever, headache, and a strange tingling near the bite. But soon, terrifying symptoms appear fear of water, even fear of air like hydrophobia and aerophobia. This happens because of the brain and nerves are under viral attack. Without treatment, rabies almost always ends in death. Now, here is the most important part how rabies can be stopped. If you are bitten, wash the wound immediately with soap and water for 15 minutes. Then go to the hospital and get the anti-rabies vaccines. Don't wait. And remember, vaccinating pets and controlling stray animals protect everyone in your community. So here is a global impact of rabies. Every year rabies takes about 59,000 lives, mostly in Asia and Africa, and most victims are children playing with infected animals. So spreading awareness is as important as treatment. So this was a lecture about rabies. Let's quickly recap. Rabies is caused by a virus that spreads through animal bites, target your brain and nerves, and can be deadly, but only if ignored. Act fast and you can save a life, maybe even your own. So that's all about rabies, a disease we can completely stop with awareness and quick action. If this video helped you understand something new, hit me like button, share it and subscribe for more biology and health lectures. See you in the next video. Stay safe and stay curious. Thank you.